1. Dark matter, the invisible universe. Scientists estimate that about 85% of the total mass of the universe is made up of dark matter, an elusive substance that does not emit, absorb, or reflect light, making it completely invisible to current instruments. Despite decades of research and multiple experiments, we still do not know what dark matter actually consists of. It doesn't interact with electromagnetic forces like normal matter, only through gravity, which is why its presence is inferred from the gravitational effects it has on galaxies and galaxy clusters. Understanding dark matter is crucial because it holds the universe together, influencing the structure and evolution of everything from stars to galaxies. Yet it remains one of the biggest mysteries in modern physics, driving countless scientific endeavors worldwide. 2. Dark energy, the force accelerating our universe. In addition to dark matter, scientists have discovered another mysterious force known as dark energy, which is believed to make up about 68% of the universe's total energy. Dark energy is thought to be responsible for the accelerating expansion of the universe, pushing galaxies away from each other at an increasing rate. The exact nature of dark energy is completely unknown. Some theories suggest it is related to the energy of empty space, while others propose new physics beyond the current understanding. The discovery of dark energy in the late 1990s revolutionized cosmology and remains one of the most profound unanswered questions in science today. 3. The origin of life. How life began on Earth is one of science's greatest unanswered questions. While many hypotheses exist, including the primordial soup theory, hydrothermal vent theory, and panspermia, the idea that life came from elsewhere in the universe, no definitive explanation has been proven. Scientists have identified key molecules like RNA and DNA as central to life's emergence, but the exact sequence of chemical reactions and environmental conditions that spark life remain elusive. The origin of life has profound implications not only for understanding our own existence, but also for the search for life beyond Earth. 4. Time travel. Science or fiction? Time travel has been a favorite subject of science fiction, but theoretical physics provides some possible frameworks for its reality. According to Einstein's theory of relativity, time dilation allows time to pass at different rates depending on speed and gravity, which has been experimentally confirmed. Wormholes and closed time-like curves are theoretical concepts suggesting shortcuts through space-time that could allow time travel. However, no practical evidence or technology currently exists to enable humans to travel backward or forward through time in the way science fiction imagines. The paradoxes and challenges associated with time travel continue to puzzle scientists and philosophers alike. 5. The Fermi Paradox. Where are all the aliens? The Fermi Paradox questions why, given the vast number of stars and potentially habitable planets in our galaxy alone, we have yet to find any conclusive evidence of extraterrestrial life or signals from alien civilizations. This paradox contrasts the high probability estimates for extraterrestrial life with the lack of any observable signs. Many hypotheses attempt to resolve this mystery, ranging from the possibility that intelligent life is extremely rare or short-lived, to the idea that advanced civilizations purposely avoid contact, or that we simply lack the technology to detect them. The search continues with SETI and other programs, keeping this paradox at the forefront of astrobiology. 6. The placebo effect. The placebo effect reveals the powerful connection between the mind and body. It occurs when patients experience real improvements in health after receiving treatments that have no therapeutic value, simply because they believe the treatment will work. Despite being widely observed in medicine, the exact neurological and psychological mechanisms behind the placebo effect are not fully understood. Studies suggest that expectations, conditioning, and brain chemistry all play roles. Understanding this effect better could revolutionize medicine by harnessing the body's natural healing abilities. 7. Consciousness, the final frontier. Consciousness, our subjective awareness of ourselves and the world, remains one of science's biggest enigmas. How does a collection of neurons firing in the brain produce thoughts, feelings, and self-awareness? Various theories attempt to explain consciousness, from purely physical explanations to those invoking quantum mechanics or emergent properties of complex systems. Despite advances in neuroscience and psychology, the hard problem of consciousness, why and how brain activity is associated with subjective experience, persists as a deep philosophical and scientific challenge. 8. Ball lightning. Nature's mystery. Light ball lightning is a rare atmospheric phenomenon reported as glowing, spherical objects that appear during thunderstorms. Witnesses describe them as floating orbs that move unpredictably and can last several seconds, sometimes causing damage. Despite numerous accounts dating back centuries, ball lightning remains poorly understood because of its rarity and difficulty to study in controlled conditions. Scientists have proposed various theories, including plasma formation, microwave radiation, and chemical reactions. But no consensus exists. It remains one of meteorology's enduring mysteries. 9. The Voynich Manuscript. The Voynich manuscript is a handwritten codex dating back to the early 15th century, filled with strange illustrations and text in an unknown script. Despite extensive study by linguists, cryptographers, and historians, the manuscript's language and meaning remain undeciphered. Theories about its purpose range from an elaborate hoax to a lost language or an unknown form of knowledge. Its mysterious content and origin make it one of the most fascinating unsolved puzzles in the history of manuscripts. The Tunguska Event. In 1908, a massive explosion occurred near the Tunguska River in Siberia, flattening approximately 2,000 square kilometers of forest. The cause is widely believed to be an airburst of a meteoroid or comet fragment entering Earth's atmosphere, but no impact crater was found. The event remains mysterious because of conflicting eyewitness reports and the absence of solid physical evidence. The Tunguska event is a stark reminder of the potential dangers from space objects and continues to be a subject of scientific investigation. 11. The Great Silence. SETI. The search for extraterrestrial intelligence, SETI, has been scanning the cosmos for decades, looking for signals or signs of intelligent life. Despite sophisticated technology and extensive searches, no confirmed extraterrestrial signals have been detected. This absence of contact, often referred to as the Great Silence, fuels debates about the rarity of intelligent life, the lifespan of civilizations, or the possibility that advanced species use communication methods beyond our detection. This mystery keeps inspiring scientists and enthusiasts alike. 12th, quantum entanglement. Quantum entanglement is a phenomenon where two or more particles become linked, such that the state of one instantly influences the state of the other, regardless of distance. This spooky action at a distance, as Einstein called it, defies classical physics and challenges our understanding of causality and locality. Quantum entanglement underpins emerging technologies like quantum computing and quantum cryptography. Yet the fundamental nature of entanglement remains deeply puzzling and fuels philosophical debates about the nature of reality. 13. The Mpemba effect. The Mpemba effect describes the counterintuitive observation that under certain conditions, hot water can freeze faster than cold water. First noted centuries ago and confirmed in modern experiments, the reasons behind this effect remain debated. Proposed explanations include evaporation, reducing volume, convection currents, supercooling, and dissolved gases. However, the exact causes are still unclear, making the Mpemba effect a fascinating problem at the intersection of thermodynamics and fluid dynamics. 14. The Antikythera mechanism. Discovered in a shipwreck off the Greek island of Antikythera, this ancient device is considered the world's first known analog computer. It was used to predict astronomical positions and eclipses decades in advance. Despite extensive research, many details of how it worked and the full range of its functions are still debated. The Antikythera mechanism showcases the incredible technological sophistication of ancient civilizations, surprising modern scientists with its complexity. 15. The WOW signal. In 1977, a strong narrowband radio signal was detected by Ohio State University's Big Ear radio telescope. Lasting 72 seconds, the WOW signal matched predictions for an interstellar message, but it was never detected again despite numerous follow-up attempts. Its origin remains unknown, sparking speculation about extraterrestrial communication. The WOW signal continues to be a tantalizing clue in the search for life beyond Earth, representing one of the most mysterious signals ever received.